Hi, my name is Harpreet Singh. So I've graduated from BHM in 2024. It was a great experience as I started in DHM and transformed it to BHM. The reason for choosing BHM was as I'm really fond of traveling and going to the places. So I was very intrigued by the concept of tourism and the hospitality. It was a huge opportunity to be a part of WCC as they were giving me the environment to learn like the practical thing which was missing in the most of the courses I was looking. And the elective courses give me the option to choose wisely like what I wanted to do in the future. So those things helped me as very well. Practical knowledge was also given in the college, resume workshop, practical workshop, bartending workshop. These kind of things helped me propel my experience in the industry as I'm already working in the Marriott Hotel. In the college, like we were doing a lot of activities like the cultural events, Christmas celebration, as these kind of activities helped me engage with my team and get to know each other and how the college is expanding and how the expectation of the other students about the college and all those things. It was a long journey to start from DHM to BHM, but it was really worthwhile as we learn a lot from our instructor, learn our practical knowledge and skills we could use in the industry. All those concepts I learned from my instructors. That helped me when I started working. I didn't have to go through too much with the training as I already know about the practical stuff. So that really helped me. As WCC played a very good part in my life, I learned many things. I got very disciplined in the hospitality industry because of my instructor as they pushed me to be more punctual in most of the things. I feel really happy as a graduated student as it took me a long time, but it was worth. As with the help of my subordinate students, we were able to reach this milestone. I highly recommend WCC College as they give the great opportunity to help students to expand their career and to explore themselves how they can achieve great success in the life.